I was hoping to clarify some things about the diatomic elements. I've been referring to them as the Honkelbriefs because these 7, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, are the only 7 elements that do this, where they link up together. They don't like traveling alone, they travel in pairs. So whenever you see these written as an element, or in their elemental form, such as hydrogen. If you see something written as hydrogen, rather than being H, it would be H2. Something like chlorine wouldn't be Cl, it would be Cl2. Or oxygen wouldn't be O, but it would be O2. This only is true when this is not part of a compound. When these 7 are part of a compound, you just follow the formula writing rules. So in a compound, follow formula writing rules. Some examples. Something like nitrogen triiodide, or excuse me, trihydride, would simply be nitrogen, 1N, and tri, meaning 3 hydrogens, trihydride. Notice, although I've got nitrogen, which is a Honkelbrief, hydrogen, which is a Honkelbrief, they're not alone. It's not just nitrogen, it's not just hydrogen, it's a compound, nitrogen trihydride. So we don't worry about putting that automatic 2 like we did over here, or over here, or over here. We simply follow our formula writing rules. There's no prefix here, so I know there's 1 of them. There's a tri here, which tells me there's 3 of those. Something like, another example, like iron 3 oxide. I would look those up on my ion sheet. Iron would be 3 plus, oxide is 2 minus. I need another 2 of these and 1 of these to get them to add up to 0, so my formula would be Fe2O3. Notice, oxygen, although it's a Honkelbrief, it's part of this compound. It's not just oxygen, it's iron oxide, part of a compound. Because it's part of a compound, I don't worry about that automatic 2, I just follow my formula writing rules, Fe2O3. Hopefully this will help clarify some things as far as Honkelbriefs go. Again, the only time we do that is when they are by themselves in the elemental form, not when they're part of a compound like these.